guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be bringing back something that I actually did not record for the past, I think, 2 months. I'm going to be setting up my September calendar, and yeah, I'm really excited for this video because the spread is so adorable. I cannot wait to show you guys my spread. But before we get started, I do want to open up a bubbly. I do have a bubbly today. And I also have a new setup right now because I'm not at my current location. So yeah, let's just work with what I have here. My space is really small, but I'm gonna get it done. Okay, so today I have a coconut pineapple bubbly. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open and we're gonna get to start laying down my stickers. Ooh, that is so good. For those that might be new, this is a Plum paper monthly planner. This is where I track all of my weekly spending and my sinking funds and also my sinking funds transaction. So I'm gonna open up to my September spread and then we're gonna start laying down my stickers. Okay, so here is my September kit. It is from Caffeinated Kate. I get a lot of my stickers from her. So let me show you what these look like. They're so adorable. It's just so fall to me. Look how cute that is. Look at the apples and the apple and jam. It screams fall to me. I love this. All right, so I'm gonna fast forward through this and I'm gonna lay down my stickers. So I have the monthly setup. And then I have these stickers here, which is my sinking funds, my spending tracker, which is to track my sinking funds spending, my weekly check-in, and I did buy the sticker sheet to decorate my spread. So I'm really excited for this. And then I have these little stickers here. I usually show my bill due stickers, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna break down like what's what. I might just lay my stickers down and then yeah, so I'll see how I edit this and what I do. But for now, grab a drink and enjoy my setup. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I've laid down my stickers. This is the spread. It is so adorable. I just love it. This is the September spread, and then here I have my weekly check-in, and I put some decal stickers on the side. So adorable. Here is where I'm going to track my spending for my sinking funds, and this is my sinking funds page. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down my stickers for my bills. Okay, my rent was due on the 1st, and that was for $9.96. My JEA is due on the 12th. I'm not sure the exact amount, but I'm just gonna lay down the sticker, and then when I know the amount, I'll just update that. Comcast is due on the 15th, and that's for $105. The gym is due on the 17th, and that's $25. Car insurance and Apple storage is due on the 19th. That's for it's gonna be more than $151. This is what it was last month, but I believe it's more money this month. My renter's insurance and my cell phone is paid on the 20th, and that's for $66. Apple Music is on the 23rd for $11. My medical bill is on the 24th, and that's for $33. And then CBS All Access is the actually, I got these wrong. Hold on. Okay, that's Apple Music. 25th is wrong, okay. Apple Music is on the 23rd, and that's for $11. And medical bill is on the 24th, and that's for $33. And then my CBS All Access is the 25th for $9.99. I'm gonna lay down my payday stickers. I get paid on September 9th. And then again on September 23rd. My card payment comes out every time I get paid. So that's going to be on the 9th for $145.41. And then again on the 23rd for $145.41. All right, so that is my September spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, and leave an apple emoji. That way I know you are at this point. I hope you guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.